Today we're going to look at a great example of the effects of water damage, and here we're at a job site that we started about 3 days ago. Evidently approximately about 20,000 gallons spread throughout the kitchen flooring area to part of one bedroom, the other, but the majority of it went straight down underneath the house. So we have wet wood floors, we have soaking wet subflooring, and all the joist system underneath are all soaking wet. So in this job we have to do a very aggressive drying process in the interior of the house. And again, since we're dealing with hard surfaces, very difficult to dry, it is crucial that not only do we get good amount of airflow, a good amount of air exchange through our dehumidifiers, but we also have to raise the temperature almost like a furnace. And although today is not here, we removed it. We covered this rooms because this area seems to be the most wet out of the entire house. Now, as a drying out company, one of our biggest goals, especially in a unique situation such as this, is to try to salvage the wood floors. They've been here for a long time. It's kind of the makeup of this very unique, old, very cozy house. So we're going to try to save them. Here, these floors were buckling quite a bit, and right now you probably can't really tell because they've gone down significantly since we've been able to dry out the wood floors. Over here is still a little wet, which I don't know if you can see it or not, but they are still buckling. It's letting me know that we still need to get a little bit more aggressive with the drying process in this corner. Every day, once again, I'm seeing progress, so there's no need for me to yank anything out of this house unless it's not drying, and then we're going to start considering tear out. But our goal is to save as much as we can and to bring the family back to their current position as fast as we can for their comfort. Okay, not only are we dealing with wet floor and the flooring system, but we also have a great amount of moisture in the wall cavity. And once again, you know, we have an old house, we have plaster walls, very durable material. These homes will be here for another 100, 200 years. So we want to try to save as much as we can, and drying these walls are quite a challenge too. So the only way we could do that is by boring some holes into the wall and driving some air into the wall cavity. As long as we could drive some hot, dry air into a moist environment, it's going to promote drying, and hopefully we'll be able to salvage this without having to tear up anything, only with the exception of the little holes that we made here. So far I feel very positive about it, and everybody's happy because this family will be back into the home probably within the next 3 to 4 days from now. And that's very good, especially when they have children. What we have done here is create almost a tornado effect inside or underneath the house with hot, dry air. And we have air coming in through this duct, hot, humid air, and it goes through this filtration system where the humidity is drawn out of the air and then is thrown back into hot, dry air through the out duct. And we've attached this duct to the back portion of the house, where again we're getting hot, humid air out and throwing hot, dry air back in. At this point, everything is going as planned, and we feel that this dry out will be a success, and the homeowners will be very happy with our services.